garbage hoops, then. Whoever misses the trash can first has to clean the room.
I'm not doing this.
Come on, Mordecai, what's the big deal? It's just a little game. You're afraid of a little game?
This is your mess, Rigby. Just clean it up.
But it's our room. What's yours is mine, what's mine is...
Ugh. Your turn.
Okay, sure.
Rigby!
All right, all right.